Not
Sa
man.
ipakita sa unsay title.
And Moses wrote down the ceremony.
Basa.
God wrote his law with his own finger.
Wait,
Not the hands of man. This
Okay,
stone
larga.
represents God's kingdom. By the way, you can read Deuteronomy 27:5. If you build an altar to the Lord, you shall use stones, you shall not do an iron tool on them. Jacob has a dream of a ladder that goes to heaven, and that ladder is Christ. What does he set up as a memorial? A stone. And he pours oil on it. You know what that is? That's an anointed stone. Christ is the anointed rock of ages. You read in Zechariah chapter 3, for behold, the stone that I have laid before Joshua. Oh, Joshua actually means Jesus.
Ako kay sudlanan.
On the stone are 7 eyes.
Yeah.
That's Zechariah 3:9. Stone with 7 eyes. Do you have in Revelation 4 a lamb with 7 eyes? Who's the lamb? Who's
Uy,
the
sulod.
stone? Jesus. So
Kuya.
how does David bring down Goliath? 1 Samuel 17:50. So David prevailed over the Philistine with a sling and a stone. And he struck the Philistine and killed him. What happens in Daniel chapter 2? And David hits him in the head. Daniel hits him in the feet. But it's a stone that brings down the idol. Of course, when they implode a building,
Yawag.
you've probably seen
Kuyawag.
images where they
Rilo,
bring
eh.
down some skyscraper.
Sa
They've got
kuwa.
demolition crews.
Kuyawa ng sabday ng riluha day nga na may charger.
They plant dynamite around the bomb.
Sige daw
And
be.
once the foundation goes,
Sige
the
daw
whole
be.
thing
Richard
collapses.
dyan.
Ha?
Right?
Richard dyan.
And so that's what
Yes, sir.
happened. It's
You know, kay pandara sa naon
Also,
yun ni
what
church.
time do the feet represent? The end of time. We're
Sige,
living
Dabe.
now in the time of the toes.
Pandar be. Nanong
And
siya na ba't
some
register ba
evangelists
siguro na?
We're living in the toenails.
Sa ina
Of the
ni
toes.
mag-order pa ka
So
ni
we're at the
Patiri
very
dayo.
end of
May
time.
ni kay na
Has
ma-order.
anything else in this vision happened so far? Right on schedule. Do we have any doubt the last part
Mura
is gonna happen?
magbabulgam ra ni nga battery
So
ni.
what is that last part? Great stone cut out of the mountain without man's hands comes and
Basta
strikes
sa
on the
kuwan ka
ground
ng
feet.
iyang
Manual.
Polarizes it,
Instruction.
and does so it
Instruction.
blows away.
Away chichi, away chichi, away chichi, away chichi.
And the kingdoms of the world that fought against God's people, they're obliterated. Now, why is this all happening?
On.
God's people are occupied during that time by a
Oh, na to?
foreign pagan power that worship other gods.
Amang paraon
They're
na.
being oppressed. God is reminding even Nebuchadnezzar and God's
Ako ay
people,
paraon ay.
your kingdom's not going to last.
Gagmay
Daniel is having the
kay ni
audacity
Gonzalo,
to say, God gave you the strength to let you know your kingdom doesn't win, my kingdom wins.
Naganti para na may ko pa rin kaya po maklaro ba.
Mo.
And I think Nebuchadnezzar got that
Ikaw,
subtle
kaklaro
message
ka.
several times. He
Kaklaro
gets
pa.
it in chapter 3, where he says, there's no God like Daniel's God who can deliver from the fiery furnace. He gets it in chapter 4 when he says, I now lift my eyes to the God of heaven. This is about the divisions of the Roman
Tagiana
Empire
de.
from about 476.
I-open na to dali kay ibutang
Next thing
ang
is the
battery.
throne house. Now, I don't know if that excites you, but that excites me. It means that Jesus is coming
Arang
soon. Amen?
battery.
How does Nebuchadnezzar respond? Let me just read this
Ang
to
gaya to
you.
diha.
They'll fix it in editing. I know I'm going a moment long. Then Nebuchadnezzar fell on his face, and he prostrates before
Uy.
Daniel.
Ano di ay?
Instead of worshiping an idol, he's worshiping
Uy.
a Jewish prophet, and you're not supposed to do that either. And he commanded that they should
Return,
present an
return.
offering and incense. They're worshiping the mighty God.
Return,
Yet bring
return.
incense before him. And the king answered and
Uy.
Daniel said, Truly, your God is the God, not a God. He says he is the
Uy.
God of gods. And at the beginning it says Nebuchadnezzar was the king of kings. At the end,
Nara.
your God is the God of gods. Jesus is the King of kings. The
Hmm.
Lord of kings, revealer of secrets. Since
Sabi
you
rin
can
yun.
reveal this secret. Then the king promoted Daniel, and Daniel said, King, I've got 3 friends
Wala
that
yun.
were part of the prayer meeting with me. And he gave him many great gifts, and he made him ruler over the whole province of Babylon, and chief administrator over all the wise men of Babylon. Also, Daniel
Oh.
petitioned the king, and he said, Shadrach,
kayo.
Meshach, and Abednego
Nino.
over the affairs
kayo.
of the province of
kayo. Uy,
Babylon.
cool man.
But Daniel sat at the king's
Sa
gate,
mga
like
kansila ni Ron.
Mordecai. He's a judge in the city, the capital
Nino.
of Babylon. Wonderful study, friends. I hope
Sa
you got
mga way
something
pa yan
out
ni
of
Ron.
it. Again, you can look up that new DVD called Kingdoms in Time, and we will send you this free study on Daniel and
Sitting.
Revelation. It's a great illustrated study. All you got to do is call 866-788-3966. That's 866-STUDY MORE, or you can even text, and there's a way to download and read this. And you text SH021 to 40544, And you can
Sitting on top.
download where you're at right now. God bless you, friends.
Connectivity.
Lord willing, we'll study His Word together again next week.
May wifi ba?
Don't forget to request today's life-changing
May wifi
free
gani diri,
resource. Not only can you receive this free
Wala
gift in the
wifi
mail,
diri.
you can download a digital copy straight to